first cases of COVID-19 reported from Karbi Anglong. Rampant felling of trees continues unabated in Karbi Anglong, Meghalaya border areas. KSA Bokatan unit demands immediate removal of EM Khonsing Rongpi. DHDCC reiterates demand for resignation of CEM, says he must step down on moral ground. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Bepi with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. As predicted by many, the surge of COVID-19 cases continue in Karbi Anglong with another 2 cases reported on Saturday morning. The 2 new cases have been reported from West Karbi Anglong and both have travel history. Following this, KAAC-CEM has once again urged the people not to panic and follow all the government's rules. Karbi Anglong currently has reported a total of 173 COVID-positive cases, out of which 64 have been discharged. 107 are active and 2 patients have died. Meanwhile, at the time this report was filed, Assam has reported a total of 9,799 COVID-positive cases with 6,327 persons discharged. 3,455 still active while 14 persons have died due to the virus. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Despite repeated news coverage and telecasts, the illegal timber mafias continue their illegal business, resulting in gradual turning of forests into barren land. If these were definitely not being done by the government nor by innocent public, then who is responsible for illegal felling of trees in these areas? Day and night, trucks loaded with logs move out from the forest and no one dares to stop them. Neither the forest department nor the police have been successful in stopping this illegal cutting of trees and supply of timbers from the forests in Langhempi, Rongpangbong, Nongjerong, Tapat and Mokoiram areas. The silence of Hamran Central Range officials has only emboldened forest mafias to continue their activities without any fear. The range officer, Longkam Teron, claims they are not aware of trucks carrying timbers from Karbi Anglong to Meghalaya every day. Following this, many have also questioned the KAAC Forest Board for not taking the matter very seriously. Huge number of people of the area warn that if the cutting of trees is not stopped soon, within 1 year, huge forest area, mainly of pine trees, will completely disappear. Bir Singh Tiso from Langhempi, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. MS Pangcho Stationery. Humri Damra Langdamikha. Labang Suakula Dalong, Nanglitum Kerang Sora Hormuan, Long Igi. Lake, Asonason Kecho Hormu. Nangli hemarlo kapang jangjia phan kenang sora hormo lapen kapre ka son nangli tum lokpon iji humri damlote nangli tum thek ilongji lasi humri damikha Pangcho Stationery. Ka humri dam nang jadim lake Rongkhelan Dipu Manja Road, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School adu Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Welcome back after the break. The Dima Hasao District Congress Committee has reiterated their demand for the resignation of NCHAC CM Debolal Gorlosa on moral ground. The party has also condemned the district BJP for defending CEM and terming their allegation as baseless. In a press conference held at its office in Rajiv Bhavan, Haflong, the District Congress Committee led by ex-EM and Congress leader Mahendra Kemprai said that their demands for his resignation is premised upon the charge sheet filed against CEM Gorlosa for his alleged involvement in the killing of the former CEM Purnendu Langthasa and EM Nindu Langthasa. The opposition party has condemned the Saffron Party for defending CM despite criminal charges have been filed against him.
इसलिए हम ये बीजेपी से दिमाग सब बीजेपी से और बीजेपी से हम ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, सवाल करने चाहता हूँ कि अभी जो सीएम साहब का देवलाल गौरलसा का जो प्रोसिक्यूशन सैंक्शन दिया है बस चार्जशीट दिया है, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी ने नहीं दिया। अभी स्टेट में सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी का नेतृत्व में बीजेपी सरकार है, तो सरकार का पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट, होम डिपार्टमेंट ने प्रोसिक्यूशन सैंक्शन दिया है और पुलिस ने चार्जशीट सीजीएम में सबमिट किया है, तो ये तो हवा का बात हो ही नहीं सकता है। ये हम दिमाग साहब का जनता को जानकारी देना चाहता हूँ।
Earlier on 30th of June, the DCC had held press meet demanding the resignation of the CEM, to which the district BJP on Wednesday countered, terming their allegation as baseless. And charges were made with a motive to derail the BJP-led NCHAC's growing political mileage.
पॉइंट निकाला था क्रिमिनल काउंसिल कलिजॉय संजीव जी ने, अगर क्रिमिनल काउंसिल होता रहा तो पॉइंट निकाला था काउंसिल का इज्जत का बात है। तो ये सब होता रहा तो 2019 में हम लोग क्यों दिमाग साहब का पब्लिक ने जिताया, ये पार्टी कुछ काम तो करा है नहीं, तो क्यों हम लोग ये काउंसिल की इज्जत को कोर्ट केस में आना है। हम लोग का पार्टी का स्टैंड है और हम लोग का जो बीजेपी रूल दिमाग साहब का स्टैंड एक ही है कि प्राइमरीली डिस्ट्रिक्ट शेड्यूल ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल मिला है, इट्स प्राइमरीली मेंट फॉर डेवलपमेंट। वी आर फोकस ऑन डेवलपमेंट एंड सेकेंडली वी रेस्पेक्ट दो भारतीय इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है एंड द इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशियरी भी हम लोग मानते हैं।
Irrelevant may be on the outcome of the case, but the political exchange between the two national parties have now literally turned the case into a major political issue, and it may also create a major political upheaval in the district in the days to come. Suraj Burman from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. The KSA Bokajjan Regional Committee has strongly condemned the alleged unacceptable behavior of KAACM Khonsing Rongpi towards the KSA Central Committee General Secretary Thansing Timong. The KSA Bokajjan Regional Committee charged that a person with lack of social courtesy and protocol does not have the right to continue in a responsible post. The KSA team of Bokajjan convened a press meet on Saturday evening, during which they came down heavily on the KAAC EM in charge of medical, Khonsing Rongpi, who allegedly termed the entire relief works of social organizations as a publicity stunt. Following this, several students and social organizations of the district have severely criticized him and demanded that he be immediately removed.
Wanajir kiting aporten rong mongbe MPSC along kola da hawara tum Dr. Kabe pena sonson ki sopen inale ki sum king chang nang lo la so jaw kola da nili tum rong mongbe along KSA branch do alang itum pen patir pisi kidam tang apor li tum Cardinal Autonomous Council long Medicarium akhai sar Khonsing Rongpi alang iphan memorandum smai pajir pondo kola bang so putha Romongbe atumbang ani bang si nilidom apan vietanen komentu si nilidom Romongbe MPSC long mentu si doktor nangi toipo ningoi pikhangyang lo la si prabjin pen Khonsing Rongpi apan la EM aku pen pasun begni busi nilidom KSA Bokajjan Regional Committee open summit carding long Cardinal Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member aki hai nilidom kaike ning ati theklong ning kating sam aki hai sar tuliram panghan pan summit la bang so kutha Lapuson rap pen kacing ki thekhe lapuson rap pen rap akan kacing hon thekhe lapen rap pen kacing ki thekhe lapuson aleda labang alang itum kabinglong mare tim kar biang long pen alang lipan rap jin pen alang itum papa jar pon ko busi tuning riglo lapen rap jin men no nama alang li Khonsing Rongpi alang li nitum KSA General Secretary South Thansing Timong han rap anu diat hang begni busi nilitum Karbi student association KSA bukan sebenarnya komite ini mengenai jurnal lokal.
The issue emerged when KSA General Secretary called up the EM to inquire about the pathetic condition of the Rongmongwe PHC. On being questioned this, the EM got enraged and verbally abused the student's leader. Anantirang from Bokachan, Karbi Anglong Live. Kajol Lektepi has been suffering from an unknown ailment for the last 3 years. Her husband has taken her to the local health center where he was directed to take her to Dipu, but he could not take her for further checkup and treatment due to lack of money. Kajol, wife of Hemari Terang, is a resident of Dagiram Ronghang village under Dolamara police station. 3 years ago, the woman saw a small red pigment on her tongue which gradually got swollen. Following this, her husband took her to Borbeta Hospital for her treatment, where doctors could not diagnose the disease, referring her to be taken to Difu or some other hospital with better facilities for further treatment.
Pindi dak thek long lo da gram rong hang amekar Hemari Terang alang lichor ka jir lektepi alang liningkan ke thoma prang pen keso long lo labang so keso doktor tumlong chipak lang nam lo sitame thangda nang thanu tek thep sitame laki adiarlu kang ulo cancer keso puselang litum sitame hondelo la poselang tum ke boy hektik ahem tun pinak alang li hemasor bang arnivang ingdat po lapen potsi longan benda meko te bokhet Borbeta long hospital long sikipon pon mila bang so keso bang la da ke sol funi deji potselang litum aphan alang tum ke chuning ri lang lo karbiang long CM tiliram long hang lapen local embassy jongsi akerap nang pipulo telang tum bang kuan sta mesi ke chelang dami pansibor ilo.
The woman is going through immense pain and food aside, she cannot even swallow her saliva. Her husband is only a wage earner and do not have the capacity to afford for her treatment. The family does have the Atal Amrit card but have not been able to process the formalities involved to avail the benefit. Thus, with no hope left, the husband and family members have sought for the help of KAAC Chief Tuliram Ronghang and all well-wishers for her checkup and medical treatment.
Ten an kichu kado wekes koson ne siksak opo
Doktor tombanga bemara alamba na thanu de munte dipu bang ke pontu wa bang cha nangke dipu che ponita ni de hajira chongda chara mani po poni mo de lamasi la nkan ke tham running bikok
RG Sondrongpar from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.